Want to add a blue note with a kiss emoji on Instagram? It's super easy and only takes a few steps. In today's short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a blue note with a kiss emoji on Instagram. To get started, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen to go to your profile. At the top of your profile, you'll see your profile picture and a note option above it. Tap on Note to proceed. A new screen will appear. In the note text field, type a short message. To make the note blue with a kiss emoji, include words like Sabrina, taste, espresso, or nonsense in your message. After you've typed your message with one of these words, tap the Share button to post your note. Once you've shared it, your note's background will turn blue and a kiss emoji will appear at the top. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily add a blue note with a kiss emoji on Instagram. If you found this guide useful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.